I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. Thank you guys for keeping me there, my new subscribers, my oldies. Thank you so much. My name is Jennifer, and on this channel I bring you lifestyle videos, travels, as well as DIY. So today is going to be a DIY hairstyle. I want to make a simple hairstyle up back with extension, full hairstyle that you can do on your own, because I find it so difficult to be able to get African salons. So I thought to doing my hair by myself. Most of the salons here, when you go, they say they don't know how to take care of African hairs. And by the way, I had a very bad experience with them when I came in newly to Malaysia and had to touch my hair. They say they don't know how to use African relaxer kind of cream, so I said okay, let them use the one they have. According to my salonist now, that is Chinese, said it's actually a rebonding that is only fitted for Asian hair. So it damaged my hair a lot. My hair up to today, I've not recovered. My hair keeps falling off. Just hold it and this thing just come up in your hands. So I resorted to doing my hair myself. Noticed a big chop. I actually cut it because I was tired of the hair for the split ends. So I said okay, while I try to treat my scalp, I'll also cut the hair and see if it can come back healthy. So it's a journey, and then I'll do it little by little. Though I didn't do it myself, I went to the salon and they gave me something like Chinese kind of haircuts, about 10 inch. I don't really know. So anyway, let's get to the day's video. It could be a tutorial for some people, but it's just me put my hair in a protective style a little. I've actually already picked the attachments, so I'll just get right into it. It's just all back, nothing too fancy or too difficult. I'll just show you guys what I'm trying to do. So sit and relax, and if you don't know how to braid hair, well, today you can learn. Alright, let's get on with it. This one is a bit shorter than the other because this will be at the back. I might just cut a little at the back because my hair is shorter now. I used to be longer than this one. Now it's shorter because we're trying to get it all together. I'll just do one or two braiding before we start moving the hair back.
Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing stuff.
Okay, it's not gonna make it tiny, so it doesn't take the whole of my day. Not to use rubber band to hold them.
The world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So this is the final look, guys. I hope you like this simple hairstyle I made. Please like and subscribe and recommend to your family and friends also. Thank you for watching. Until I bring to you another video. Bye for now.